Tatlong magkakahiwalay na impeachment complaint na ang kinakaharap ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito ay matapos na ihain ng religious organization at grupo ng mga abogado ang ikatlong impeachment complaint sa opisina nitong si House of Representatives Secretary General Reginald Velasco kahapon, Disyembre 19. Pinangunahan ni Attorney Armando Virgil Ligutan, ang counsel ng complainants, ang pagsusumite ng naturang complaint. Ayon sa abogado, inendorso ang naturang complaint ni na Camarines Sur Representative Gabriel Bordado at House Deputy Minority Leader at Ambisoa Party List Representative Lex Anthony Colada. Anya, ang kanilang grupo ay binubuo ng mga simpleng pari at mga ordinaryong mamamayan, ngunit nais nilang mapanagot ang pangalawang Pangulo dahil sa umano'y ilang kanyang pagkakasala.
Citing culpable violation of the Constitution. We are also invoking a betrayal of public trust, plunder, malversation, technical malversation, and bribery.
So what are the basis of your complaint, sir?
This is primarily based on how the office of the Vice President, this is primarily based on how the sitting Vice President of the Republic disbursed the millions of pesos in 11 days without proper documentation. This complaint stemmed out of the fruitful committee hearings done by Congress. What we are saying is this is different from the two filed impeachment complaints. What makes it different is that the complainants in this case are arguing that it's no longer just the constitutional and legal obligation of the members of Congress to impeach and to remove from office the Vice President. That obligation now becomes a moral one.
Why took you so long?
We do this for the Filipino people. These are ordinary priests. These are ordinary lawyers bound by a common cause to uphold the law and to hold accountable the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Batay sa kopya ng complaint o reklamong ipresenta sa media, mga kabombo, ang naging ground o itong basehan sa kanilang inihain laban po sa pangalawang Pangulo ay ang culpable violation of the Constitution, panunuhol, graft and corruption at maging itong betrayal of public trust na halos kahalintulad din dun sa dalawang naunang complaint na inihain laban kay Vice President Sara. Maalala ho na sa nauna hong impeachment complaint na inihain laban sa pangalawang Pangulo ay inihain po ito o nanggaling po ito sa civil society organization na unang inendorso ni Akbayan Party List Representative Percival Sendanya. Ito ho'y noong Disyembre 2. Yung ikalawa naman ay inihain noong Disyembre 4 sa panguna ng bagong alyansang Makabayan. Nag-ugat ang inihang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa gitna ho yan ng investigasyon ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability sa Office of the Vice President at Department of Education na dati hong pinamunuan ni VP Sara dahil sa umano'y misuse o hindi po akmang paggamit ng confidential funds.